To make toned paper for practicing on, you would need some gel medium, matte finish, some acrylic paint in a neutral color. I like to use either raw umber or burnt umber, one of the umbers. You would need a soft bristled brush and a stiff bristled brush. Any good quality paper is suitable for painting on. You can use anything with a GSM of 150 or above. Apply the matte medium with the stiff bristle brush, and you might have to add a little water to make it flow. That's dry. You can take some of your umber color, dilute it with water a little, and apply it to the paper over the medium that you put on before. You can use the soft brush for this so that you don't see your brush strokes if you prefer. Some people like to see the brush strokes in their painting, but if you prefer, you can smooth them out. Once it's dry, you can cut the sheets into more manageable sizes. I like to use A5 for my practice sheets, but you could cut them to any size you'd prefer. I find that it saves time and energy if you make a big batch of this all at once and then just keep it stored in a box for when you need to use it. Now that you've got a whole bunch of paper ready, maybe you'd like to pop over and watch some of my tutorials and do some practice pieces of your own.